Okay. So now we are starting with the second chapter. The heading of the second chapter is Voyage, Voyage. So this chapter is wholly based on traveling. Okay.
Okay.
One second. Yeah. So in this chapter, what we are going to learn. Okay. So we are going to learn vocabs related to musée, which is museum. Okay. Souvenir is souvenir. Okay. Statue is statue. Chateau is castle. Okay. And we already know Sharda is a garden. Okay.
Yes.
And verbs related to traveling are voyage, which means to travel. Okay. Pedale, which means to ride or to cycle. Okay. So it's related to cycling. Pedal, as we can see, pedal here. So pedale is to ride or to cycle. Marche is to walk. Okay. Conduire is to drive, and party is to leave. Okay. Next is our adjectives. So these are the adjectives: magnifique, magnificent; elegant, elegant; célèbre, célèbre is famous. Okay. Luxe is luxurious. Splendid is splendid. Tranquillement is peaceful. Okay. And vite is rapid or fast. Okay.
Okay.
And this is our les souhaits, bon voyage, happy journey. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So next we have is our table of contents. So in Lexic, we are going to learn about a blog and a fair Lovelies. So fair Lovelies is how to do your packing stuff. Okay. So what to take, what not to take. Okay. Second is our communication. There would be a dialogue between two peoples. Okay. A l'accueil de la hotel au guichet. So guichet is a counter, ticket counter. Okay. The la gare. Gare is the station. And lastly, we'll do les souhaits, the wishes. Okay. And in this chapter in grammar, we'll be doing le passé composé with être. Okay. So here in this chapter, we'll have both être and avoir. Okay. We'll be doing some adverbs. And this is another grammar thing, comparative and superlative degree. Okay.
Okay.
And some verbs irregular. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So first we'll start with text the depart. So it's on page number 48. Okay. So this is a blog. Okay. You can clearly see in your textbook.
Yeah.
Okay. So the writer of the blog is Ira Deshmukh, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So Ira Deshmukh, she is describing her journey to Paris. Okay. So whatever she did and whatever she felt and experienced. So she is writing a blog. Okay. So Prêt à voyager toujours, de retour à Mumbai après une semaine à Paris. So she was for 1 week. Okay. Une semaine in Paris. Okay.
Okay.
Tant the show à partager. So very everything. Sorry, there's very much thing to share. Many experiences and many monuments and about museums. So she's saying to their to her viewer. Okay. So there are very very many things to share. Okay.
Okay.
Je commence avec les souvenirs les plus précieux. So she is describing about the souvenir, okay, which are
Okay.
very precious to her. Okay. So
Okay.
first souvenir is La Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower. Okay. On sait c'est le moment le plus connu du monde. Nous sommes montés tout en haut en ascenseur pour voir une vue panoramique de la ville. So everybody knows that this monument is the most famous in the world. Okay. So Eiffel Tower is most famous in the world. Okay. Nous sommes montés. So they, climbed on the Eiffel Tower with an ascensor. Ascensor is elevator. Okay.
Okay.
Pour avoir, in order to view. Okay. Voir. Here you can see voir. Okay.
Yeah.
Panoramique de la ville. So they climbed above, they climb above to see a beautiful panoramic view of the city. Okay, Paris.
Okay.
Cette fois, au deuxième niveau, nous avons déjeuné dans un restaurant de luxe, le Jules Verne. Ce moment en fer symbolise tout ce qui est élégant, tout ce qui est français. So on the second stage, okay, here, what they did, they had lunch. Okay, they had lunch in a restaurant. So there's a restaurant in Eiffel Tower named Le Jules Verne. Okay,
Okay.
and the monument of fer. Fer is iron. Okay,
Okay.
symbolize everything that is elegant and everything that is French. Okay.
Okay.
Next monument we have is Chateau de Versailles. Chateau is castle. Okay.
Okay.
Nous y avons passé une journée entière tranquillement dans la plus splendide des résidences royales, les appartements luxueux, les vastes jardins magnifiques avec des statues et des fontaines, et n'oublions pas la galerie de glace, le lieu historique où l'on a signé le traité de Versailles en 1919. Okay,
Okay.
so they traveled. So here he by pronoun. Okay, so they passed an entire day peacefully in the splendid residence, royal residence, and apartments, luxurious apartments, and vast is large gardens, large and magnificent gardens with statues and fountains. Okay, fountains. Sorry, in the castle. Okay, and not to forget the gallery of glass. So here in India the we have something similar, correct? Sheesh Mahal.
Um,
Okay, so La Galerie de Glace is the place where they signed the Treaty of Versailles. Okay,
okay.
you remember Treaty of Versailles?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they signed Treaty of Versailles in Galerie de Glace in 1919. 1919. Okay.
Okay.
Next, we have le Musée Grévin. Le Musée Grévin est l'un des endroits les plus intéressants à visiter à Paris. Ici se trouvent des statues en cire des personnalités célèbres de tout le domaine, faites des photos avec le général Charles de Gaulle, avec de Gaulle ou avec le président de la République française, rencontrer de nombreuses stars du cinéma ou faites une passe avec le footballeur Lionel Messi ou Kylian Mbappé. Vous pouvez vivre vos rêves au musée Grava. So the musée Grava is a place very interesting to visit in Paris. Okay. Here, what we can find is the statues made in wax, steel, is waxed, okay, of famous personalities in every domain, okay.
Okay.
So here, this is an imperative sentence. Fetch the photo. So take photo avec, take photo with the general, Charles General of Gaulle, avec the president of Republic Française, okay, and rencontrer the numerous stars du cinéma. So there are, wax statues of everyone that's famous in every domains, okay. So there's a wax statue of General Charles, the president of Republic Française, and other numerous stars of cinema, of films, and also of footballers, okay, Lionel Messi and Kylian Mbappe, okay. So here she's saying that you have to go and, sorry, yeah. So, you have to go and live your dream in Musée Gravin, okay. So the last sentence here is Je vis pour voyager, je voyage pour vivre. So she is saying that I live to travel, I travel to live. Okay. So it's her
Okay.
passion as well as her career. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, en part. So faire la valise. So what we have to, while traveling, what we have to pack. First thing is les documents, the important documents, correct?
Yeah.
Le billet. Le billet is the ticket. Wherever we are traveling by train, by bus, or by plane, le billet is important, correct?
Yeah.
Next is le passeport and la visa. Le passeport is passport and la visa. Okay, so
Yeah.
these three things are important. Okay, documents. Next is the transport, what we are taking. Okay, le transport, le train is the train, l'avion is the plane. Okay, and la
Okay.
voiture is by road, which is the car. Okay, and next we see here are the places. Okay, so à la gare is the station, train station. Okay, à l'aéroport is airport. Okay, in wheel or wheel in the city, what we take is le bus, the bus, le métro. Okay, the metro. L'arrêt, the bus is bus stop. Okay, in French we say l'arrêt du bus. À la station, the metro is the metro station. Okay. So these things were transportation. Okay. Next is les vêtements, the clothing. Les vêtements and les accessoires pour lui, for him. Okay. So the clothes and the accessories for him. Okay.
Okay.
So la chemise is the shirt. Okay. Les pantalons is the pants. Les t-shirt is t-shirts. Les shorts is shorts. Le blouson en cuir. So it's a coat or a jacket in leather jacket. Okay.
Okay.
La veste is the vest. Okay. Men usually wear vest, correct? Under the coat, correct?
Yeah.
Le manteau is the coat. La cravat is the tie. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Les baskets is normal, les baskets. Les chaussettes of cotton. So chaussette is the socks, okay? Cotton socks. And lastly, les lunettes de soleil is what we call sunglasses, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Les,
Yeah.
les basket is sneakers, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next we have les vêtements pour elle. So for her, okay? Les jupes is skirt, okay? Can you see les jupes?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. Les chemisières is also the shirt. So here you can see for him it's feminine and for her it's
Yes.
masculine. Correct? See, la chemise, here it's feminine, correct?
Yeah.
But for feminine, it's la chemisière. Okay? So this is a difference. Okay? Le blue jeans, the blue jeans. Le pull is the sweater. Okay? Le chapeau is a hat. La ceinture is belt. Okay? Les robes en soie. So a dress in silk. La maliote. One second. Yeah. Le maillot is the jersey. Okay. L'écharpe is a scarf. Les chaussures à talons. So les chaussures. Chaussure is shoe. A talon. Talon means heel. So heel shoes or heel sandals. Okay. And les bijoux is the jewelries. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. La next is la trousse de toilette. So all the toiletries. Okay. Whatever we make use of them in daily. Okay.
Okay.
La trousse de toilette, le savon is a soap, la dentifrice is a toothpaste, la brosse à dents is a toothbrush, okay. La serviette, okay, it's a towel, something.
Okay.
La peigne is a comb, okay. La shampoo is the shampoo, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so here next we have to do is an exercise. Complétez les phrases suivantes. First one, dash et dash sont de endroits touristiques à Paris.
What does Indrua mean?
Endroit means places. So tourist place at Paris. Any tourist place.
Le Tour Eiffel
Correct?
et Musée Grévy.
Correct. Le musée Grava and la Tour Eiffel.
Yeah.
Second, dash est une résidence royale près de Paris.
Château de Versailles.
Correct. Third one, le restaurant de luxe au deuxième niveau de la Tour Eiffel s'appelle.
Le Jules Verne.
Connect. Fourth one, dash est le monument le plus connu du monde.
La Tour Eiffel.
Correct. Les chaussures sont en. So chaussures. Actually, I think that the question is incorrect. So it would have been chaussettes here.
Yeah.
Chaussettes en coton. And if there's les chaussures sont en, so we already know here. See you. Here leather. So the shoes are in leather, correct? Leather shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So chaussure is shoes and chaussettes is socks, okay? Because they have similar spelling. The difference is URES and ETTES, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So here we have répondez aux questions, okay? So first one is quel événement historique important associé-t-on avec la galerie de glace?
And the slide is changed.
Yeah, because I have written the answers, correct? What you have to do is I'll translate the question and you just have to answer simply, okay? Then we'll see how to frame it into a sentence, okay? So, quel événement historique important associé-t-on avec la galerie de glace? So, which important, historic event you associate with the gallery of glass?
The Treaty of Versailles. So in
Correct.
French,
Le
it is
trace
treaty.
de Versailles. Okay, correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Okay, so we'll see the sentence formation later. First, we'll do
okay.
the answers. Okay. Second one, où prend on l'avion, le train et le bus. So, where one takes the avion, the plane.
Pardon, where?
Where do you take a plane?
Le airport.
Correct. À
Yeah.
l'aéroport. Okay.
Airport. For
Le train
the train is à la station de metro.
à la gare.
À la gare.
Correct.
And for Libus, it will be le Laret.
Correct. Correct. Okay. So, yeah. Nommer the vêtements de homme et de femme. So, what you have to do is name any two clothes. Okay. For him and for her. So, first for him.
For him, it will be la chemise
Yes.
and les pantalons.
Okay.
And for her, it will be les chemisiers and
Yes.
les jupes.
Correct. Pourquoi le château de Versailles attire till the tourists? Okay. So, why does Chateau Versailles attract? Attire is to attract some tourists. Okay. So, why does it attract?
Because it has a very splendid like
Yes. Yes. Yes.
residence.
Correct.
The apartments are luxurious. It has
Correct.
large gardens which are
Correct.
magnificent with statues and fountains.
Correct. Okay. Yeah. And also because the gallery is glass. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll see how to form, okay, later.
Mhm.
Fifth one, comment monte-t-on au sommet de la Tour Eiffel? So how do you climb Tour Eiffel?
There is an elevator ascensor.
Correct. Or ascenseur.
Ascensor.
Okay. Sixth one, qu'est-ce que l'on trouve au musée Gravin? So what do you find in musée Gravin?
You can find statues of wax of
Correct.
famous celebrities.
Yes. Correct.
You can like cinema celebrities and
Yes.
footballers.
Yeah. Correct.
General.
Yeah. Seventh one, nome a footballer qui vous aime. So name any footballer you love or you like. Okay.
Lionel Messi. Hello.
Yeah.
Messi.
Yeah. Okay. Eighth one, en quoi sont les statues au musée Gravin? So in which material are the statue at the musée Gravin?
In say like see.
Correct. Wax. Yeah. Ninth one, nome the article de toilette. Name any two toiletries. Okay.
Okay. Les savants libros album.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now let's take a look about how to form a sentence. So, quel événement historique important associé sont avec la galerie de glace? Ont associé. First, we'll start with the verb, correct?
Yeah.
Ont associé le traité de Versailles en 1919 un événement historique important avec la galerie de glace. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Second one, où prend on l'avion, le train, le bus? On prend l'avion à l'aéroport. Okay? On prend le train à la gare. Okay? On prend le bus à l'arrêt du bus. Okay?
Okay.
Third one, nommer de vêtements d'hommes, de femmes. Le vêtement d'homme sont la chemise et le pantalon. De vêtements de femmes sont le chemisier et la jupe. OK?
Okay.
Pourquoi le château de Versailles attire-t-il des touristes? Le château de Versailles attire des touristes pour son, so the castle of Versailles attracts tourists for his, okay, as it's a, you know, it's a non-living thing, but we
Yeah.
have, il, el, on. So we'll, give the conjugated verb for on, okay? So, sont plus splendides des résidents royaux, les appartements luxueux, les vastes jardins magnifiques avec des statues et des fontaines, et aussi pour la galerie de glace qui est un lieu historique où l'on a signé le traité de Versailles en 1919. Okay?
Okay.
Fifth one, comment monte-t-on au sommet de la Tour Eiffel? On monte au sommet de la Tour Eiffel en ascenseur. The summit is at the top of, okay?
Okay.
Sixth one, qu'est-ce que l'on trouve au musée Grava? On trouve des statues here, des personnalités célèbres de tous les domaines au musée Grava. Okay?
Okay.
So here you can see I forgot to put ague and grave. Okay? So celebre
Okay.
ague, then grave. Okay?
Alright.
You can see it in the textbook. Okay?
Okay.
I'll correct it and send it to you. Okay?
Alright.
Seventh one, sorry. Seventh, nommez un footballeur que vous aimez. J'aime Lionel Messi. Okay? Eighth one, en quoi sont les statues au musée Grava? Les statues au musée Grava sont here. Okay? Ninth one, nommez deux articles de toilette. Deux articles de toilette sont la dentifrice et la brosse à dents. Okay?
Okay.
So you can add anything in nommez de. Okay? Wherever you can find nommez de, you can add anything you wish.
Alright.
And that's easy to remember. Okay? So next is communication en français. Okay. So we have three situations. Okay? À l'accueil de l'hôtel Castiglino, le 23 novembre. OK? Mazier Perez. Nous avons une réservation au nom de Mazier Perez, employé. Pour quel jour, Mazier? So the Mazier Perez says that we have a reservation under the name Mazier Perez, Mr. Perez. Okay? So the employee says for which day? Okay? Pour quel jour, Mazier? So Mazier Perez replies, le 23 et 24 novembre. So the employee says, un moment s'il vous plaît, a moment please. Ah oui, les chambres numéro 11 et 12 au premier étage. So he says, yes, the room numbers are 11 and 12 at the first floor. Voici les clés. Here are the keys. L'ascenseur est à gauche. The lift is at left at the end of the corridor. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you can do is you can uh, take a note somewhere about different vocabularies. Okay.
Yeah.
So oboe is the at the end. Oboe du couloir. Okay.
Okay.
And rest we already know. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah. Now in the second situation, au guichet de la gare du Nord Paris. So guichet is a ticket counter. Okay. Tourists Bonjour, je passe de jour à Paris et j'ai envie de voir les sites touristiques. So the tourist says, hello, I have passed 2 days in Paris, and I would like to see some tourist places in Paris. Okay.
Okay.
The employee says, alors je vous propose Paris visiter. So Paris visiter is, a company that takes you to places, okay? Tourist places in Paris. So the tourist says, je suis étudiante universitaire. So he says that I am a university student. So the employee says, vous êtes étudiant? Are you a student? Et c'est pour le weekend, and is it for the weekend, Saturday, Sunday? Okay. So the tourist says yes. The employee says, alors le ticket jeune est plus pratique. So a ticket that is for, youngsters, which is, plus pratique is less, costly. Okay.
Okay.
Tourist says, d'accord, je le prends, merci. So he says, thank you, I will take them, merci. Okay.
Yeah.
Next we have les souhaits, the wishes. Bon vacances, have a good vacation. Bon voyage, have a good travel, or au revoir is
Yeah.
bye. Okay. A bientôt, see you later. Amusez-vous bien. So amuser is to amuse oneself. So amusez-vous bien means amuse yourself well. Okay. Quelle chance, what a chance. Okay, that you have, you have a good luck that you are traveling, you are going somewhere. What a chance. Je pars en vacances. I am leaving for vacation. Bonne route, happy journey. Okay.
Okay.
So now what we have to do here is mettez le dialogue in bon order, in a good order. Okay. Okay. So à l'accueil de Hotel Castiglione, le téléphone sonne. So the telephone rings. So what you have to do, first I'll read every sentence, and what you have to do is you have to make it in a good order. Okay.
Okay.
Allô, Hôtel Castiglione, bonjour. D'accord, monsieur, c'est noté. À quel nom? Allô, bonjour, je voudrais réserver une chambre double pour les 23 et 24 novembre. Nous sommes quatre, mes enfants, ma femme et moi. Au nom de Monsieur Perez, merci, au revoir. So, first with sentence.
The first one, hello, Hotel Castle.
Correct. Second,
The second will be the fourth one. Hello, bonjour, je vous
correct. Yes. Allô, bonjour, je voudrais. Correct. Third,
It will be a Kelnum.
correct. Under whose name? Okay.
Yeah.
Fourth,
Au nom de Monsieur Perez.
correct. Merci, au revoir. Okay. And last,
The call Monsieur.
correct. Okay. Okay. So next we move on to page number 64. Okay. No, not 64, 62. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's a comprehension. So here, what you can see,
It is
which type of,
email.
correct. It's an email. So it's from Sandrine, correct, to mopati@gmail.com. Okay. So object is the subject. Okay. Sujet. Mon séjour à Dakar. So her stay at Dakar. Dakar is a place. Okay.
Okay.
Share Deni. So Deni is the name of the person we are sending to. Okay. Moi voici à Dakar avec des amis d'école pour un voyage scolaire. Notre professeur nous accompagne aussi. En ce moment, le temps est très agréable. Dakar, c'est la capitale de la République du Sénégal. Hier, nous avons visité le musée Théodore Monod d'Art Africa. On y a découvert les arts et les traditions de l'Afrique de l'Ouest. Il y a plein d'autres monuments très intéressants dans cette ville. Tu sais qu'il y a 6 langues nationales ici. Le Wolof est l'une des langues nationales du Sénégal. Le français est la langue officielle. Les gens sont très accueillants. Nos partenaires sénégalais sont super sympas. Le stade Léopold Sédar Senghor et le stade de Demba Diop sont des stades importants pour les sports nationaux, le football et la lutte sénégalaise wrestling, visé, sorry, Sandrine. So Sandrine is the sender, okay? Yeah, and receiver is Denny, okay? So in the first paragraph, Mawasiya Dakar. So I am here at Dakar with my friends, with my school friends for a school travel or school picnic. Okay,
Okay.
our professor is also with us. Okay, at this moment, the temperature is very agreeable, agreeable temperature. Okay, ton is weather. Okay, weather is very agreeable. Okay, Dakar is the capital. Dakar is the capital of Republic du Senegal. Okay, Dakar is the capital of Senegal. Yesterday, we visited the Musée Theodore Monod, the Art Africa. So it's an African museum. Okay, here we discovered the arts and the tradition of African of Western African. Okay, so Louis is West. Okay,
Okay.
and il y a plein d'autres monuments, means there are many other monuments interesting here. Okay, the next paragraph is tu sais il y a 6 langues nationalities. So do you know your there are 6 national languages. Okay, Le Wolof is one of the national language in Senegal, and Francais is the official language. French is the official language here. Okay. The people are very welcoming. Okay. And our partners, Senegal, means our Senegal partners. Okay. So the people, who are traveling with us, they are very sympathetic. Okay. Sampa. Le Stade Stadium. Okay. Le Stade means stadium. Léopold Sédar Senghor et le Stade Stadium de Demba Diop sont des stades importants. So these two are important stadiums for national sports like football and Senegalese wrestling. Okay,
Okay.
and disease is kisses in informal. Okay,
Okay.
so next we move on to questions. So the true or false. Okay, according to the comprehension we just did. Okay,
Okay.
first one, Sandrine is seule à Dakar. So is Sandrine the only person at Dakar?
4.
Correct. So she's with her school friends. Correct.
Yeah.
Second, on ne parle pas français au Sénégal. We
4.
cannot speak in, yeah, correct. We cannot speak in French in Senegal. That's false because French is a official language, correct?
Yes.
Third one, l'Estade Léopold Sédar se trouve dans la capitale.
What does city
So,
mean?
yeah. So it means the stadium Leopold Sédar Senghor. One finds it in the capital. Is it in the capital?
Is it mentioned?
So is it in Dakar or no? That's the
It is in the car.
correct. Yeah. Fourth one, il y a beaucoup d'endroits touristiques à visiter à Dakar.
Right.
Correct. B, répondez par des phrases complètes. OK. Qu'est-ce que Sandrine décrit à Denis? So what is it that Sandrine describes to Denis?
Sandri describes the city of Dakar to things.
Yes, correct. So Sandrine décrit la ville de Dakar et ses expériences avec Denis. Okay. So I'll send this answers later. Okay. In the sentence form. Second one, qu'est-ce qu'il y a découvrir dans le musée? So what do you find in the museum?
They discover les, les arts et les traditions de
Correct.
l'Afrique
The
de
Louis. Correct. Correct. Third one, remplissez les listes suivantes. Les sites touristiques. So 3 places.
There is Le Musée Theodore Monod d'Art
Correct.
Africa. There is Le Stade Leopold Sédar Senghor and Le Stade de Demba Diop.
Correct. The langue parlée. 2 spoken languages.
Francais and Le Wolof.
Correct. The sport national. 2 national sports.
Le football et la lutte sénégalaise.
Correct. So traduisez, we'll do it later because first we have to do grammar topics, correct?
Yeah.
So here we'll be using the next, grammar topics. For example, this one. This is in passé composé être. First one. She returned home. Okay. Next also again we have translation in English. So we'll do it later after doing grammar topics. Okay. Okay. So next we have civilisation. So this is general facts about France. La France est ses régions. Okay. La France compte 13 régions. Okay. So the France has 13 regions under it. Okay. Découvrons en 3. So we are discovering 3 regions now. Okay. L'Auvergne, Rhône, Alpes. Okay. Chamonix, une station de ski bien connue. So it's a ski station. Okay. Second is Mont Blanc. So Mont Blanc is a hill. Okay. Mountain actually. Dans les Alpes. Okay. Les sommets les plus hauts de l'Europe. So it's the highest mountain in Europe, Mont Blanc. La Bourgogne-Franche-Comté, la ville de Dijon. So, célèbre pour la moutarde. So, moutarde is mustard. Okay.
Okay.
So, Dijon mustard. You know Dijon mustard?
Not heard of it.
So, it's very popular. Okay. So, it comes from Dijon. Okay.
Okay.
Besançon, la capitale de horlogerie française. So horlogerie means the people who make watches. Okay.
Watches.
Yeah, watch.
Okay.
Yeah. Grand Est, Strasbourg, la siège du Parlement européen. So it's very important place for, it's a parliament. So it's a place for parliament. Okay. European Parliament. So European Parliament is in Strasbourg. Okay. Colmar, la ville qui porte le nom de Petit Venice. So Colmar is named as Petit Venice, small Venice. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So here we can see Chamonix. It's a ski station. Mont Blanc. It's the highest mountain. Le Moutard de Dijon, mustard. Okay. Le Parlement Européen, European Parliament, and Colmar, which seems like small Venice. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have matched the columns. First one, le siège du Parlement Européen. So where it is? It's in,
Colmar. It is in Strasbourg.
correct. Une station de ski.
Chamonix.
Correct. La capitale de horlogerie.
Is Besançon.
Correct. La Petite Venise en France.
Colmar.
Correct. And some interesting facts. First one, France uses 12 time zones. Only one time zone for French territory in Europe and the others in French territories in other parts of the world. Okay. Second, the Eiffel Tower is the most recognized landmark in the world and also the most visited monument. Okay. Third one, the Louvre is one of the most visited art museum in the world. Okay. Louvre is another museum. France is the most visited country in the world with about 90 million visitors annually, out of which Paris receives 40 million. Okay. So these were just some, facts.